replacing the oil and oil filter on a DAF LF E6. Step 1, drain the oil. It's a 3/8 drive, so either a socket or a little ratchet. Undo it, drain the oil. Once that's draining, on the offside of the engine, the oil filter, so get some jaws or a wrench if you can fit it, and undo it. That's fairly horrible, isn't it? Ugh. Get your new filter, pre-fill it if you want, you don't actually have to, but make sure you lubricate that seal. Lift it up, don't spill anything, and thread it back on. It will go on at a slight angle, just don't drop it. Refit that sump bung and start filling her up. These take around 18 litres, but the dipstick's really horrible. It's 1 litre. You can just about see the clear oil there. Start the engine, run it for a couple of minutes, and then let it sit for about 15. That will let all the oil absorb and settle and all of that. And then re-dip it. Add any oil if necessary.